Crime spree that spawned some 8 weeks out in Carroll County has ended with the arrest of 5 teenagers.
That's right. Police say the teens targeted more than 100 victims and did more than $20,000 worth of damage. ABC 2 News' Jeff Hager has more exactly what broke the case. Jeff?
Well, Kelly, an alert Hempstead police officer Russell Halterman is credited with stopping the 2 months of mayhem with a routine traffic stop that ended the crime spree. The officer recently spotted a black Volkswagen Jetta in Hempstead's Oakmont Green neighborhood, and the teens inside it were acting suspiciously. And later he spotted the same car racing out of that neighborhood and stopped it for speeding when reports came in of shattered windshields just a few blocks away. Dispatchers with the Carroll County Sheriff's Office then advised the officer that a car fitting that same description had been seen leaving several neighborhoods over the last 2 months where dozens of victims had reported vandalism.
Carroll County Sheriff's Office received reports on an almost weekly basis from more than 65 residents where vehicles had been damaged, tires slashed, Jeep tops cut, unlocked vehicles entered, and more than $5,000 worth of property removed, all the way up through the end of September.
The 5 juveniles range in age from 15 to 16 years old and are all North Carroll High School students. All told, they are charged with damaging 129 cars, including more than 50 in a single night. The State Fire Marshal's office is also expected to bring additional charges against the teens since an unexploded Molotov cocktail was found in the seat of at least one victim's car. Jeff Hager, ABC 2 News.